guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in Mola di Bari, and we just had a cornetto at the Raw Bar across the way. We're in the piazza, and it's gorgeous. Look at it. Oh, what a beautiful day. The sea is super blue. Pete and I are on a quest to find the best cornetti in Mola di Bari. We found that Stelio's bar is fantastic, but we also like the Raw Bar here in the piazza. So that's awesome. Now, great news. Yesterday we had a great meeting with CasaPuglia, and you will be happy to know that CasaPuglia covers a lot of Puglia. They're a bunch of independent agents, but they all speak English. And the management at CasaPuglia really understands the foreign buyer, because that's mostly what they deal with. So they have experience doing this for a good 10, maybe even 15 years. I didn't get the total number of years, but it's been a while. And are very, very familiar with everything that has to do with property here in Puglia, property values, very good at valuation and things like that. We had a nice long meeting and got a lot of information. I can't give it all to you here, but if you're interested in property in Puglia, definitely let us know, because we can get you started here and now. So stay tuned, you guys.